This is our Pre-K to K Achievement Kit, or Kinder Kit, appropriate for 4 to 5-year-olds. This kit is going to help children develop the skills they need for a successful kindergarten experience. The kit comes in this clear vinyl backpack so that kids can keep all of these activities organized and in one place and great for on the go. Carrying a backpack also helps kids feel independent and confident and feel like they're ready for school. This kit also features bilingual activity cards that will walk kids and parents through cross-curricular activities in art, physical health and safety, science, language and literacy, math, and even some social emotional learning. So students will find everything they need in this kit to be set up for success in kindergarten. I want to show you over here our reversible whiteboard, which has space for writing lines and including a picture. So students at this age are still developing print concepts where they're learning that words have an attachment to meaning and provide meaning to the reader. So as students are starting to use speech and language and become readers, this helps them develop that connection and engage in a hands-on way. It also includes some school supplies like glue, scissors, and even crayons. And what's great about this board is you can use the crayons right on the board along with the chunky eraser, and they can have fun with repeated practice, do it over and over as many times as they want to. The open-ended side on the back gives them room to draw pictures, make observations about their world, and bring even more science and math into what they're doing. Now these cards also will give you some information on social emotional learning and even active play, the gross and fine motor skills. So one of the activities we include are puppets. Now puppets are not only great for motor skills, getting students building the muscles in their hand, it also is great for social emotional, getting them talking about feelings, getting them connecting with other people, also beginning storytelling with others. So this sets them up for success in the curriculum while also building in social emotional learning skills. You'll see a magnifier for beginning science, some stacking cubes and linking cubes for beginning math, where they can count, pattern, sort, and do all kinds of things, even build with those cubes. We have language and literacy. We have rhyming cards where students can practice using the rhyming words, even making poems, and recognizing the pictures that go with those words. We have a story and picture journal where students can write and then include a picture. So they can write stories, they can tell about their family or themselves or their weekends, and they become the author. This kit also includes phone letters and numbers. You can use these phone letters and numbers right on the board to practice writing words or a child's name or even an address or a phone number. They can practice anything they need to get their language skills practiced and ready for school. Now, it also comes with these 3 colorful scarves, which are great for practicing hand-eye coordination and gross motor skills, grabbing, reaching, catching. But also, as they throw these scarves into the air, they're going to float down and they're going to try to catch them. Now, their eyes are going to follow the scarves, and that starts to develop eye tracking, which they'll use later on as they begin to read. So there's a lot of fun activities here, all based in play. We know that children learn through play and by doing, and this kit will set them up with everything they need for on-the-go learning in a fun way.